Today, we turn our attention to a major development in the world of AI infrastructure. Nvidia and Foxconn, in collaboration with the Taiwanese government, have announced the construction of a powerful new AI supercomputing center, an AI factory, to be built in Taiwan. This announcement was made at Computex 2025 in Taipei. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang introduced the initiative, emphasizing its transformative impact across multiple industries. The AI factory will be powered by 10,000 of NVIDIA's most advanced Blackwell GPUs, setting a new benchmark in supercomputing capabilities. To build the AI supercomputer, NVIDIA will provide 10,000 Blackwell GPUs, its most powerful chips yet, designed specifically to handle the complex demands of generative AI, and part of its latest GB300 system. The GB300 is a high-performance, rack-scale AI platform that combines 72 Blackwell Ultra GPUs and 36 Grace CPUs, interconnected with advanced networking, to deliver exceptional speed and efficiency for large-scale AI workloads. Foxconn subsidiary, Big Innovation Company, will provide the necessary infrastructure through NVIDIA's Cloud Partner Program. Their focus is to make AI computing widely accessible, supporting both research and enterprise development within Taiwan. TSMC, the global leader in semiconductor manufacturing, plans to use the AI factory's resources to accelerate its own research and development. According to CEO Dr. C.C. Wei, this initiative strengthens TSMC's commitment to staying at the forefront of innovation through AI. The Taiwan National Science and Technology Council intends to utilize this supercomputing hub to advance the nation's capabilities in artificial intelligence and technological innovation. The Council's goal is to build a nationwide AI infrastructure that supports smart city initiatives and next-generation innovation. Foxconn will also integrate the AI factory's resources into its work across three major areas: smart cities, electric vehicles, and intelligent manufacturing. These applications will help optimize logistics, urban infrastructure, automotive development, and production systems. To further democratize access, Big Innovation Cloud will participate in NVIDIA's DGX Cloud Lepton marketplace. This platform will offer cloud-based GPU computing to startups, academic institutions, and industry leaders, helping to speed up development and deployment of AI applications. This partnership is about more than building a supercomputer. It's about creating an ecosystem that supports innovation, research, and technological advancement on a national scale. Taiwan is positioning itself as a leader in the global AI revolution, and this initiative is a major step in that direction. What excites or concerns you most about the increasing integration of AI in global infrastructure? How do you think these AI advancements will affect your everyday life in the near future?
Let me show you a preview of what I'm going to tell you today. Everything you're about to see is simulation, science, and artificial intelligence. Nothing you see here is art. It's all simulation. It just happens to be beautiful. Let's take a look.